Tabata HIIT workout. We are going to sculpt, tone, shred that body and have you feeling absolutely amazing after this workout. I challenge you to do this for 7 days to see beautiful results. Nutrition is key, and Lean has thousands of recipes on the app to help you reach your goals. Link in the description box below. All you need for this workout is a headband. All right, let's get straight onto this workout.
We have got a good thing, you know.
All right, we're gonna drive that knee up and then take it to the side. 20 on, 10 off. We're gonna give this everything we got.
Everybody's moving on and on. Give me the word, I'm there.
All right, 10 seconds rest and then we're going on to the other side.
But I think it needs a sequel. You're looking like a smooth air. Thick with a little sweetness. We ain't got to hesitate, cause baby, this our chance. Feel my heart accelerate every time I glance. Hear you hyperventilate and got me in a trance. I just gotta have a taste, I wanna dance.
Shuffle, and then you're gonna give me 2 jump lunges every time you reach the opposite side.
Moving on.
Here we go.
Is in the air, yeah, yeah. Everybody's moving on and on. Give me the word, I'm there. Give me the word, I'm there. Okay.
Last one. Yes. All right, half burpee runners. So we're gonna get down onto the floor, and you're gonna give me 4 super fast runners.
You kill it, girl. You kill it, girl. Just you and I. Let's ride tonight. I might be the one to blow your mind. Let me be your favorite time.
10 seconds.
You're the only one I like. Only one I like. I'm ready for the start of our night. Let's take this all night. We ain't got to hesitate, cause baby, this
Okay, squat. Nice big wide squat to punch out.
time I glance, time I hear you hyperventilating. Got me in a trance. I just gotta have a taste, I wanna dance. We've got a good thing, you know it. Let's get this party moving on and on. Love is in the air, yeah, yeah. Everybody's moving.
Very quickly take that band off. Get into a high plank. We're going for grasshoppers.
This history in the making. Hometown legend from the basement. Feel the bass groove from the top down. Came to free the people on lockdown. Let me show you how I do this. No AC, we the coolest. Smell the roses and the tulips. Spin it like a hula. Fill it all in your medulla. Too hot to handle.
All right, now we are working our way back up. So another round of grasshoppers. Get ready.
Boulevard, living large. No charge. Rose gold, superstar. Ready, set, on your mark. Here we are.
Get that band on. Back to the squat to punch out.
I got a lot to do. Stepped off the roof with no parachute, no parable. I gotta tell the truth. I jumped in the whip like it's a miracle. I'm with the who's. I'm going boo.
Half burpee run-ins.
We vibe, baby, it's all cool. She like
3 more movements, that's it.
ooh, right. Off the avenue, we got the whole place going lateral. I got that big swag and the attitude. I keep my head high with the gratitude. I'm all in, I ain't count the chips. I had to make it flip. I'm the alchemist. Just sound it out whenever you pronouncing it. My name's legit, baby. This where the magic is.
Shuffle, jump lunge.
Just take
something you can do about today. Yeah. I know you're feeling caught up in your situation. Your blood and sweat got you feeling some type of way. Just don't forget everything I've done. Just don't forget everything you've done. Please remember all your blessings upon you. Just do it.
Last 20 seconds of work. Keep that core strong. We've got this.
We're gonna throw the towel, so don't move your body.
So get up on your feet and make a move. Feel the groove, nobody can do it like you.
We're moving on from yesterday. We're gonna.
You are absolutely incredible. Well done for getting through these 6 minutes. It was challenging, but you did it. Be proud of yourself, please. If you haven't already, please go like, subscribe, share this workout with a friend, and come back and do it again to see results. I love you so much. Mwah!